Hey guys, in this video today I'm going to show you how to make the best cheese Danish. It's easy. It's better than Hostess because they don't have preservatives and you're making them at home. So all you're going to need is one block of cream cheese, puff pastries. If you don't know what puff pastries are, they look like this. And I'm using Pepper's Farm. So guys, this is a very easy recipe. I'm going to get settled here and then I'm going to show you what are you going to do. It is simple. It's good for when you get together with your friends to have some tea or coffee. The kids love them, I'm telling you. And you can make them as big or as small as you like. So I'm going to open my puff pastries and then we're going to be using the rolling pin because you have to stretch it a little bit. And then I'll show you how to make the cheese that goes on the center of the pastry. And I will show you how to make the glaze. It's very simple, guys. This takes the most is 20 minutes to prepare. So let me get settled and I'll be right back. All right, guys, make sure you put a little bit of flour in your counter, and with your rolling pin, you're going to roll your puff pastry a little bit. You want to stretch it out. Okay. You just stretching it out a little bit so you can make as many as you want. You could use any rolling pin you have. I have a metal rolling pin. At the same time, I have a wooden rolling pin here. But I want to use my metal rolling pin. Okay, guys, so that's good enough. What you're going to do, let me stretch this one equally. So what you're going to do, you're going to grab your knife and you want to cut them at least an inch. So you're going to cut them. Okay. I'm making regular size ones right now. So you're going to cut them. And then you're going to go back on the center of the mark. You're not going to cut them all the way through. You're just going to leave a little piece there. And then from here, you're going to cut them. Okay, like so. Because you're going to need the centerpiece to put your cream cheese. Okay. This is very simple. Anybody can do it. So like that. And then we're going to take them and put them to the side. You know, I'm make sure they're not stuck on your counter. Okay. You could just stack them up like so on top of each other. Don't matter because they're not gonna stick. So, and you gonna put those on the side. Let me get my cream cheese on my bowl and then I'm gonna tell you what to do from there. All right, guys, in a bowl, you're gonna combine your cream cheese. Make sure that your cream cheese is at room temperature. 1 egg yolk, and I believe you're going to need half a teaspoon of vanilla. You could use any vanilla of your choice, but I use this one, which is really good. So we're going to add that there, and this is going to be what's gonna go in the center of your pastry puff. You're going to blend it really good. Okay, I'm going to blend this really good, and then I'm gonna show you how to assemble them together, okay? All right, guys, and then to the cream cheese, the egg yolk, and the half a teaspoon vanilla, you're going to add a quarter of a cup of sugar, and you're going to blend it into nice and fluff, okay? So I'm going to blend this, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's all done. All right, guys, I did 4, so I'm going to show you how to assemble them. You know, you take them like this, and then you're going to twist it. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're going to twist it, and then you're going to go in a circle motion, like so. And then you take the other one, and you do the same thing. Remember, this is going to puff up, and you're going to go the other way. And you're going to make it like this, pinch it a little bit with your fork. Make sure on the center, in the little spot that you twist it, punch it with a fork so it won't pop up on you. Take it and move it to your baking sheet. All right, and then to that, I have a small baking sheet. I gotta get me a big one. Then take a spoon after your cheese is nice and beaten. Take a spoon, you know, the amount that you want to add, and you're gonna place it right in the center, okay? Once that baked, it will puff up. Okay, you have enough to do both pastry, and if you want to do mini ones, so you cut it smaller like I show you. Very simple, guys, very simple. I'm telling you, my family love them, and I know your family will too. Okay, that's that. And then you're going to take an egg yolk, you're going to beat it, and you're going to brush the rim. And if you want, you could sprinkle some sugar around it, but I'm going to be doing the glaze, so I'm not even going to spread sugar on it. So let me beat the other egg, which I have right here, and just the egg yolk to make the egg wash. All right, guys, this is what they look like. I already put the egg wash, so now I'm going to bake from 15 to 20 minutes into the edge are nice and golden. It depends your oven. Make sure that you got your oven preheat at 350 degrees, and keep an eye on them because different oven, different variation of heat. So here they go. Mine are going into the oven. So, all right, and I will see you in a little bit, and I'm going to show you how to do the glaze, which is very simple, okay? All right, guys, I have 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and then add water slowly to make sure you make a nice consistency. You don't want it to be too watery. You want it enough that you could pour it over your Danish, and that's how you make your icing, guys. Very simple. I'm using vanilla, and my vanilla is going to give a color to my powdered sugar. But if you have the clear vanilla, is the best thing to use. Like that, it won't turn. Mine turn color because my vanilla, of course, have coloring in it. But that comes like that. So you want a nice consistency. See, mine turn like a brownish color. And that's it, guys. That's your vanilla icing. So my pastry's been in the oven for 5 minutes. I'm waiting for them to start getting ready. So meanwhile, you just set that to the side and wait for your pastry to come out. Have your teapot ready with some tea or coffee and enjoy your meal. Guys, this is a very simple recipe. You could even enjoy it making it with your kids. Like that, your kids know what it is to be in the kitchen. And it's good for you to start teaching them early. to learn some things to make for when they want to have their friends over and they could help mom or dad in the kitchen to put it together. So guys, I'll be right back. Well guys, they're out of the oven. It took 25 minutes in my oven. Remember guys, my oven is a small oven and it doesn't keep the temperature the way it's supposed to. But if you have a regular oven, there is not like mine. Um, yours will be done in less time. So guys, I'm gonna bring you guys close. This is what they look like. Look at how nice they are. Yes, I did put a lot of cream cheese, like I said, for the filling, you see. So now I'm going to let them cool down and I'm going to glaze them with the glaze that I made. And then I'm going to bring you a taste test and I will be having mine with coffee. Guys, it's early in the morning. On Wednesday morning, it is 9 a.m. So I will see you when I have the glaze on them. And we're going to go for a taste test, guys. I'll be right back. Well, guys, here they are with the glaze on them. Guys, I'm going to do my taste test. They're still warm, so I want mine to be warm. Be careful when you bite into the cheese. You don't want to get burned. Mmm. Absolutely delicious. Guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.